So what page speed score should people aim for when optimizing their website, and what can you do to get there? So I would say, first, in order to improve something, you have to know how to measure it. How you measure it is using something called PageSpeed Insights. It's a free tool by Google. You just go Google it, PageSpeed Insights. You pull up that tool. You're going to just essentially put in your domain into that tool, and then you press submit, right? Once you press submit, it's going to take a couple seconds, and then it's going to load. And it's going to tell you like what your page speed score is, right? And so there's red, yellow, and green, right? And so anything in red is really bad. So I definitely say you need to fix that, because Google doesn't really want to serve up, content to people when it's like slow to load on mobile and desktop. And that is something to consider too. There's a page speed score for desktop, and there's a different page speed score for mobile. If you're in the yellow, you're okay, but ideally you really want that tool to be in the green, right, for both desktop and mobile.